probably seen those videos about boring, high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring in 2025, but the truth is, most people have no idea how to actually get hired in one of them. They see a list online, they get excited, they apply blindly, and then they never hear back from these positions. Here's what they don't realize though. Getting these boring jobs has nothing to do with being the most qualified. It has everything to do with knowing how to package yourself the right way. That's how people with no fancy degrees, no perfect resumes, and no experience are landing 70K plus jobs completely remote. I'm Matt. I lived through the 2008 recession and I just transitioned from working as a property manager for 13 years. My girlfriend has been a recruiter for 5 years and she showed me exactly how these companies actually hire behind the scenes. So really in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps and the exact playbook you need to take to get hired today, even if you don't think you qualify. Let's get into it. Step one, pick the right job titles. One of the biggest mistakes people make is picking the wrong job titles to go after. They hear about boring but high paying and they start applying to jobs like a data analyst or IT specialist without even knowing what these jobs actually do. So you need to take the time to spend and figure out if this job is going to be a good fit for you. So here are a few remote roles that are hiring today that don't require a college degree and don't need any technical skills. Accounts payable or receivable, a bookkeeper, construction estimating, probably good for someone that likes dealing with numbers. IT help desk, you are customer service, you like talking with people on the phone. Many remote positions available, SDR, BDR, high earning potential. You get rewarded for high efforts. Supply chain coordinator, a very important role in today's world. These jobs are boring in a sense that they're predictable, low stress, and process driven, but they pay very, very well. They're remote, and there's massive demand for people that can do the work. Companies are desperately looking for qualified talent and will urgently hire you. There's job listings for days in these positions. Step two, learn just enough to be dangerous. So you don't need a 4-year degree to land these jobs, but you do need to speak the language and the terminology. Take a 4 to 8 week course online, learn enough to speak confidently during interviews. I understand what this job actually involves. I know the 3 to 5 tools people in this job use every day. I can walk into an interview and sound like someone who actually belongs. There are affordable online courses like Course Careers that can teach you exactly what you need to do and how to do well during interviews, to learn the precise skills. Don't overthink it. Learn, apply, and move. Step number 3, package yourself the right way. This is where Alyssa changed everything for me because most people are way too honest on their resumes in a way that actually hurts them. Here's what actually works. Write your resume like someone who already has a job, not someone begging to get in it. And optimize it for hiring managers and their filtering softwares. These hiring managers and recruiters have softwares that filter out resumes because they get thousands of applicants a day. So if your resume is not optimized for these ATS softwares, even if you're the best job applicant, you're never going to be seen. The other important thing is to highlight transferable skills. Likely you're going to be transferring from a different career path. So like managing skills, working with teams, handling data or money. If you were a cashier, that's customer service. If you worked in retail, that's sales. If you were a property manager like me, that's logistics, people management, scheduling, and communication. The right resume can flip your entire job search within 24 hours, especially if you tailor it to a specific job listing. Step number 4, get referred or go direct. If you apply online with no context, your resume might not ever get seen. Here's what we've seen work better. Apply directly on the company website, not just on job boards. Message a current employee on LinkedIn, someone in the same department, not HR. Use an Apollo Chrome extension scraper. Get phone numbers, emails, social media accounts. Keep your message simple and say, hey, I saw your company is hiring for this job title. I'm really interested in joining the team and I just wanted to ask any advice in standing out throughout the application processing. You might be surprised by how many people actually respond, especially if you're polite, curious, serious and not asking for too much. Step number 5, prepare for the interview like it's a performance. By the time you're in the interview, you've already decided that you're qualified enough. Now they just want to know, can this person communicate clearly? Do they sound like someone I trust with responsibility? Are they going to show up and learn quickly? You don't need to be the smartest, just the most prepared. Learn the job description, research the company, and practice explaining how your past experiences connect to this current role. If you could speak with clarity and calm confidence, you'll stand out, period. Boring remote jobs are the hidden gems of today's job market. They don't require degrees, they don't need tons of experience, and they're always hiring in 2025. I've seen it firsthand. I made the leap after 13 years in property management, and with Alyssa's Recruiter's Insight, we've helped dozens of people land $60,000 through $80,000 remote jobs with zero experience. If you want a more personalized, detailed breakdown of how to learn the skills, build your resume, and actually get hired, check the link in the description where we offer a one-on-one coaching call. We also have free trainings to course careers where you can kind of experiment with each career path to determine which career is best for you. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped and subscribe for future content if you want straight up, no BS breakdowns like this. You could do this and we'll show you how.